क्या आपने कुर्बानी के जानवर खरीद लिए? Have you purchased the sacrificial animals? Have you purchased the sacrificial animals? नहीं, कीमत बहुत ज़्यादा है. No, the prices are very high. No, the prices are very high. मैं ईद से सिर्फ एक दिन पहले जानवर लूँगा. I will purchase the animal just one day before the Eid. I will purchase the animal just one day before the Eid. आप कितने जानवर खरीदेंगे? How many animals will you purchase? How many animals will you purchase? वो ऊंट कुर्बान करेंगे. They will sacrifice a camel. They will sacrifice a camel. चलो मवेशी मंडी चलें. Let's go to the cattle market. Let's go to the cattle market. ईद की नमाज कब पढ़ी जाएगी? What time Eid namaz will be offered? What time Eid namaz will be offered? शाम में सवैयाँ पकाना. Cook vermicelli in the evening. Cook vermicelli in the evening. ईद की तैयारी कैसी है? How is your Eid preparations? How's your Eid preparation? ईद कैसी रही? How was your Eid? How was your Eid? चॉपर कहाँ है? Where is the cleaver? Where is the cleaver? हमें तख्ता भी चाहिए होगा. We will also need a chopping block. We will also need a chopping block. गोश्त मुस्तहकीन में तकसीम करें. Distribute the meat in deserving. Distribute the meat in deserving. चाकू छुरियाँ तेज करवा लो. Get the butcher tools sharpened. Get the butcher tools sharpened. ज़्यादा मत खाना. Avoid overeating. Avoid overeating. दूसरी मवेशी मंडी चेक कर लें. Check another cattle market. Check another cattle market. हम मस्बे खाने जा रहे हैं. We are going to slaughter house. We are going to slaughter house. कसाई की फीस बहुत ही मुनासिब है. Butcher's fee is reasonable. Butcher's fee is reasonable. गाय के लिए चारे का इंतज़ाम करो. Arrange some fodder for cow. Arrange some fodder for cow. क्या आप दुम्बा खरीदोगे? Are you going to purchase a ram? Are you going to purchase a ram? खालें अल-खिदमत फाउंडेशन को दें. Donate hides to Al-Khidmat Foundation. Donate hides to Al-Khidmat Foundation. ओजरी अच्छी तरह साफ करो. Clean the tripe properly. Clean the tripe properly. गाय का गोश्त कितना निकला? How much meat did the cow yield? How much meat did the cow yield? चाकू छुरिया तेज करवा लो. Get the butcher's tool sharpened. Get the butcher's tool sharpened. गोश्त को ठीक तरह से काटें. Chop the meat properly. Chop the meat properly.